In the heart of the Andes, where the past and present intertwine, the community of Tiaparo and Alpaca Expeditions come together for a project that goes beyond adventure. Today, we embark on a mission to restore and clean a forgotten section of the trail, kilometers before reaching the iconic Inca Trail. But the support doesn't stop with the cleanup. Essential tools like picks and shovels were donated, along with basic food items such as rice, sugar, and other vital supplies. Each donation and effort is aimed at supporting the community in their work, strengthening the bond between history and the present. As the work progresses, the impact becomes evident. The once neglected section of the trail is being transformed, reflecting a collective effort to preserve the region's cultural and natural heritage. Each step on this path tells a story of dedication and renewal. At Alpaca Expeditions, we believe that true adventure lies in the legacy we leave behind. Today, we are not just cleaning a trail, we are strengthening our bond with the community and honoring our shared history while paving the way for a brighter future. Thank you for joining us in this mission to preserve our heritage and support local communities.